one and all. The work speaks volumes. Rahul Gandhi can make sensational statements for headlines. The Prime Minister works only for deadlines. The moment he realizes that, he will get his math together too. TMC is right. They're one of 1,600 parties, but the thing to understand is that the only party that matters is the Bharatiya Janata Party, because Prime Minister Modi has percolated work down to the poorest of poor. The four segments that we have focused on are women, youth, the poor, and of course the farmers. On the other hand, the TMC has focused on only one agenda, which is law and order being a total failure, women not being secure, and all kinds of vandalism and gundaism, as we have seen in West Bengal. Akhilesh Yadav doesn't know the difference between a guarantee and a jumla. The guarantee is that on ground, 11 crore people have got Ujjwala in their homes. The guarantee is 25 people have been alleviated from poverty levels. The guarantee is that 18 crores toilets have been built. The guarantee is that in Mudra banking, women have got loans up to 20 lakhs. The guarantee is that every person has got 5 lakhs through Ayushman Bharat. Obviously, these are not the points he wants to hear about. Jumla is only what the Samajwadi Party does. It's time the AAP party and Arvind Kejriwal stop playing the victim card. We know what the jail authorities have said. Nobody's life is in danger. If a person does not take medicine on their own, it is their own safety that they have to look at. The jail authorities have done their job, so please stop spreading conspiracy theories. Whether it's in Kerala or West Bengal, CAA is for the safety and security of every Indian citizen. The fact that it has been implemented so seamlessly by our Honorable Home Minister and Prime Minister is purely for the safety of Indian citizens. For those who are spreading all kinds of rumors, they should know why they're playing to a gallery which is not necessarily the voter. On the one hand, you have Balasaheb Thackeray, whose every breath was for the people of Maharashtra and the progress of Maharashtra. On the other, you have Uddhav Thackeray that is constantly echoing his love for his son. The fact that he has chosen his son over the development of Maharashtra by going with the Congress party only for the lust for power shows you their ideology. We, on the other hand, are committed to nation first, party next, individual last. And what Prime Minister Modi says about Parivarvad is exactly an example for Uddhav Thackeray.